Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbackelectronics.com. Have another Ameritron Al-811 amplifier in for repair. I'll go over everything it needs real quick. Needs the bias mod, needs the gas discharge tubes installed, do the 10 meter modification, clean the band switch and the input rotary switches with deoxit gold. Needs new SO239 connectors. There's like no grip whatsoever, they just slip right in and out. So I'll install 2 new ones. I get them from Max Gain Systems. They sell a good product. So the straps are in good condition on this one. They're not frayed. So I had another one I was working on Friday. It was the H version, 4 tube one I believe, or it may have been a 3 tube one. I work on so many amps I forget. Well, anyway, it needs new straps. I ran out of strap material, so the new strap showed up today, so I'll replace the straps on that and then test it, and then that'll be done, and I'll do a final video on that one. So I'm gonna get to work and I will be back soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the Al-811, the other amp I was telling you about that I need to change the straps in, and then I'll be finished with that after I test it, is the H. So that's a 4 tuber. So I'll work on that next, and I'll work on another amp the same day. So I'll go over everything I did real quick. Tested full output on all bands, got a brand new set of Penta Lab tubes. So took out the old SO239s, put a longer screw in for the plate choke. A lot of times it falls out or it damages the threads during shipping because it only catches a couple threads. Remove the metal oxide varistors. So put in the gas discharge tubes, the base of the socket, the bias modification, clean the band switch and the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. There's standoffs between the board and the back panel. One screw was missing that goes through the board into one of the standoffs, and 2 of the other screws were actually loose. So I replaced the missing screw and tightened up on all the other screws, especially the 2 that were loose, like really loose, and tightened all the screws in the back going through the panel into the standoffs between the board and the back panel. Fixed solder joints, you can see nice and tight. SO239s now. These came from Max Gain Systems. Nice people there. So, also compress the socket clips, and you always want to make sure the screws are tight for the capacitors for the plate side and the load side. And the meter protection diode was okay. So that's about it. So I have 2 amp supply amps here, some more Ameritron amps. So just lots of stuff to do, but keep them coming. I love working on amps. And after this, I have to fill some hardback orders. So please check out my website, amprepairguy.com, and also my other site, harbackelectronics.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. 73.